Hello, my dear student. Our topic for today is the irregular verbs and the auxiliary did. Remember that in the previous class we worked with this topic, the regular verbs. All the regular verbs finish in ed. Remember that in the previous class we studied 1, 2, 3, and 4 forms to the auxiliaries in with ed. This is regular to the previous class. Today we are going to work with irregular verb. What are the characteristics to irregular verb and what is the use of auxiliary d in simple past? Okay. Irregular verbs. Pay attention. The irregular verbs have, this is an irregular verb. For instance, write, the simple past is wrote, and the past participle, writing. Another example, drink, the simple past is drunk, and the past participle drunk. Fly, the simple past is flew, and the past participle flow. In the most of the cases, in my case, for example, I use this list, okay? Look at this list, irregular English verb, okay? In my list, the verbs are divided in groups, but it is not necessary. You can organize in alphabetical order, different kinds. But pay attention, always you have, the first part is the verb, the second, drove, and the last, driven. This is an example, manejar o conducir. This list you can download to internet, okay? Similar to this list. Look at this. This is my list to all irregular verbs, okay? But you can find this in the internet, or you can find this in the dictionaries, or you can find this in different places and in some books. But this is important. This is the irregular verbs. The irregular verb doesn't have a specific rule. The irregular verbs are characterized because it's different, okay? You memorize the times. I'm going to give you an exact what is this auxiliary and when it is necessary that use this auxiliary did. Okay, it's an example. It is irregular, fly, okay? The affirmative, the bird flew. The negative, the bird didn't fly. This is the auxiliary, didn't or did not. Pay attention. What is the auxiliary? Did, didn't. In this case, when do you use the auxiliary, the verb fly is in the same way, fly. Remember fly, fly, okay? Fly. It is the past, okay, flew. But when do you use the auxiliary, it's not necessary you write flew, you write fly, because the auxiliary is here, did. Did the bird fly? Look at it, fly again. Why? Because did is the auxiliary. Yes, I did. No, I didn't. The bird is fly. Okay, look at this. This is so important. Take into account all this. Now we are going to give you an example with regular verb, work. Remember that are the rules of regular verb. Remember this. All of this finish in IED. Remember that I explained this in the previous class, work. Okay? But it is regular verb, work. The regular forms worked, okay? Danny worked yesterday, ed. But what's going on if you have put the sentences in negative? The auxiliary is did not or didn't. The auxiliary did. The auxiliary did doesn't appear this kind of verb, worked, because the auxiliary, the verb is work. Auxiliary work. Affirmative, worked, okay? Pay attention with this, it's so important. Did Danny work yesterday? Pay attention with this. Work, because the verb is did. The verb is work, but the auxiliary did is present. When the auxiliary did is present, the verb is in this way. Okay? In affirmative form, not, because it's not the auxiliary. Danny worked yesterday with regular. But if you have to work with irregular, fly, in affirmative form, put the past part, the simple past form, but in the negative and interrogative, no, fly and fly. Why? Because it's the auxiliary present, the auxiliary did in these cases. Okay. It's important that you read the agenda that I posted yesterday. In this agenda for the all group that I am the English teacher. I say that today we don't leave an activity, but in your case it's so important that you do activity. Why? Because this topic is very important, but for me it is necessary you study for the partial. And in the previous class, according that you read the document, we are going to have a Zoom meeting If you don't understand anything about this and another topic, you tell me, but it's important you do some sentences. Pay attention. What is the activity for today? This is regular verbs, okay? And we have this irregular verbs. What is the activity? You use two regular and two irregular verbs, two regular and two irregulars, and make affirmative, negative, and interrogative with which one of them, okay? For instance, it's an example. I decide regular, work and study, and irregular, drive and drink. If I decide work and study with work, affirmative, negative, interrogative, with the study, affirmative, negative, interrogative, and with drive, affirmative, negative, interrogative, and with drink, affirmative, negative, interrogative. Two regular and two irregular, affirmative, negative, interrogative in each one. Okay, and prepare your speaking before to the next class. Read the documents, and in the document you have all the information. Okay, bye bye, see you the next class.